Hi everyone and welcome to Skinmart. I'm Susan and today I'll be talking to you about Dermalogica's new Redness Relief Essence. Today I would like to introduce to you Dermalogica's newest addition to their ultra calming line, Redness Relief Essence. Now if you suffer from sensitive skin, redness or irritation, then this is for you. This hydrating serum will give you instant relief. Redness Relief Essence will be replacing the Ultra Calming Mist. Don't panic if the Ultra Calming Mist was your absolute favourite, because with Redness Relief Essence you'll be getting the same hydrating and calming benefits plus a whole lot more. Now in case you're wondering what an essence is, it's a lightweight and hydrating like a toner, yet concentrated like a serum, almost like a supercharged toner, giving you lasting benefits. Now the key formulations in Redness Relief Essence are licorice root and sage extract, vitamin E, aloe vera juice, and colloidal oatmeal. All of these key ingredients will calm, soothe, and balance your skin. It will reduce the appearance of redness and boost hydration, therefore strengthen the skin's moisture barrier. Now this is suitable for all sensitive and reactive skins. So to use, you would shake the bottle well before use so all the lovely active ingredients are dispersed evenly in the fluid. After cleansing, you would dispense a small amount into the palm of your hand and pat gently over your cleansed face, neck and décolletage. It can be used both morning and night for continuous relief. Redness Relief works really well with Barrier Defense Booster. This is great if your skin is dry and irritated. Then to finish, you would moisturise with the lovely Calm Water Gel to really lock in the hydration and further soothe your skin. Now, if you suffer from skin flare-ups due to allergies or redness from breakouts or increased stress level, you could introduce this until your skin settles. So if you would like to purchase the Redness Relief Essence, please go to our website at skinmart.com.au or simply click on the link below. Have a great day.